Pakora? No, I don't know what pakora is. Yeah, I know samosa, yeah, come on. So, chakiri is the go-to dessert and sweet treat. West Africans answer to pudding. My name is Amadi Kasarate. I play football, I'm a footballer. So this is the couscous millet. It's whole grain, it's really, really nice. So this is the main ingredient. The yogurt, evaporated milk, normal milk, nutmeg, vanilla extract. It's a sweet treat, so of course we need the sugar. Let's go. So the first step is we need to boil water. We don't put too much water. It needs to cover it. 10 minutes. We're gonna make the yogurt. The texture is very key. So add a little bit of everything. Wow, look at that. No, I'm not measuring. Just based straight off feeling. There you go. I hear the stirring. The secret is in the wrist. Yeah, we're ready. So now we add just a bit more water and then in the microwave. 5 minutes. There you go, 5 minutes. Ooh. This is chakri, guys. Senegalese sweet treat. The best of the best. I think, yeah, we're good to go, man. Ready? Bow. Look at that. Voila. I'm very proud of myself because some people in this household doubted me, but I believed in myself. I stayed strong, I persevered, and I did it, guys. I did it.